The Jamaican Strongback Drink is a vitalizing, high-performance drink. Stay tuned while I show you how I made this high-performance Badman drink.
Technical Dave, Dan Dada Tutor. Brother, how you so versatile? Lord have mercy. Jack of all techniques. Well, this is Ryan's Jamaican International Restaurant, representing for Technical Dave. Technical Dave TV. Stay tuned, watch and learn.
There are a few key ingredients that I use in my recipe. Peanuts, which are rich in protein. Pumpkin seeds, rich in zinc. Banana, which is rich in potassium. And also the Jamaican Magnum tonic wine. When you think of Magnum, you think of Magnum Force, Magnum PI, or the gun Magnum itself. Yes guys, for my strongback ingredient, I have Jamaican Fosca oats, I have raw peanuts, I have vanilla, nutmeg and cinnamon, I have a condensed milk, a ripe banana, Magnum, and a Guinness, plus Nutrimint. As well, I have some pumpkin seeds that I'm going to add to the mix. And when you pour in the dragon, pour it slant way so that it doesn't foam. Now that it has sit for 15 minutes, the oats absorbing up all the dragon. I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of vanilla to the mix. Then I'm gonna add 1/4 cup of mixed spices, and that's nutmeg and cinnamon. I'm gonna add my pumpkin seeds, and I have 1/2 cup of pumpkin seeds here. You mean to tell me, say you watch the video all this time, not even leave a like, nor subscribe? Come on man, do better. Maybe wait. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of the video.
A few moments later.
Yeah, my glass and my ice cube right here. Wow, look at this. Look at that. Wow. It's my strongback drink. So, cheers. You know you can't go hungry upon the work.
Yo, this is Salaf, my nigga. I take a 1 sip after this already. It's Salaf. Look at this. Strong, dog. Proper.
For more videos like this, subscribe. Hit the post notification bell so you can get videos instantly as I upload them.